everyone. Recently I bought a long tripod stand with LED ring light. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see from where to start. So let's take it out. We have this and we have this stand. Let me keep it here. So here's the stand. Okay, and let's have a look at the ring light. So the packaging is quite nice. It's safe here inside this bubble wrap. Here we go. So guys, this is the ring light, and now let's see how to fix it. Now let's open this. So this is how we go, and here it is. Now if you want to increase the height, what we can do is we can open this and we can further increase the height. Let me show it to you. We can now keep it on the floor, and here we remove this cap and we attach this ring light. So this is how we do it. The good part that I liked about this tripod is its height can be increased. Let me show you. See. And it can be increased till 7 feet. So I'll again pull it down and I'll fix it. One thing that I would like to say is this 360-degree ball is quite slippery. Even if I fix it tightly, see, it is still moving. So this can be improved here. Okay, now talking about the LED light. Now here we have a USB port which can be directly attached to the USB plug, or you can directly attach it to your laptop. Plug in here. And then we have a power button and it's on. Here we have 4 buttons. So the first one is for power, on or off. So here we switch on. Now we have plus and minus 2 buttons to increase or decrease the intensity. So here we go, as you can see. And then we have one more button to change the light, the color of the light. So we have this white light, off-white light and yellow light. These are the 3 different lights here. Now I switch it off. Now let me switch on this light and shoot so that you all can see how it looks. So I'll bring it here and I'll switch it on. So this is the yellow light. I have decreased the intensity, as you can see. Now I increase the intensity. If I want to change the light, this is the white light. Again, I decrease the intensity, I increase it, and then I turn it to off-white light. So these are 3 different modes of light in which we can shoot. Now talking about my overall review on this tripod stand and the LED light, I would rate it as 7 on the scale of 10. Why I've deducted 3 points? Just because of this slippery ball head. Increase the height further. बंद करो यार और खोल. थोड़ा सा काट लेंगे इसको. Let's look at some other features बोलना था मुझे. Just because of this socket नहीं है.